Tooth enamel is the hardest tissue in our body, yet once damaged, it cannot regenerate naturally. Scientists worldwide are now developing ways to rebuild enamel, changing the future of dental care. Enamel protects teeth from decay and sensitivity. Daily habits, acidic foods, and cavities wear it down, and traditional toothpaste or fluoride cannot restore lost enamel. Researchers at the University of Nottingham, UK, developed a bioinspired protein gel that guides enamel formation at the microscopic level, recreating enamel structure in laboratory tests. Current treatments focus on protection, like fluoride or dental cleaning. They strengthen remaining enamel, but cannot replace what is lost or rebuild microscopic structure. The gel attracts minerals like calcium and phosphate from saliva and arranges them in organized layers, mimicking natural enamel formation, creating a strong protective coating. Lab studies confirm that regenerated enamel behaves similarly to natural enamel, with resistance to brushing, chewing, and acidic foods, making it stronger than typical enamel protection methods. The protein gel can also coat exposed dentin, reducing tooth sensitivity and providing an extra layer of protection against decay. At the University of Toronto, scientists are experimenting with DNA-based nanotechnology to create scaffolds that rebuild enamel layer by layer, guiding mineral deposition precisely where needed. These nanostructures mimic enamel's natural microscopic architecture, reproducing both hardness and resistance of real enamel at the smallest scale. Researchers in China use biomimetic liquids containing peptides to guide enamel crystal growth. This method creates stronger, whiter, and more resilient teeth. AI technology can now analyze each tooth structure and customize regeneration protocols, ensuring optimal mineral deposition and personalized enamel growth. These innovations are moving from lab research to clinical trials, which may soon allow dentists to regrow enamel instead of merely repairing it with fillings or veneers. Self-healing enamel could eliminate cavities, reduce sensitivity, and prevent staining, revolutionizing daily dental care and cosmetic dentistry. Imagine a world where teeth never yellow, never weaken, and remain strong throughout life, powered by nanotechnology, biomimetic materials, and AI-guided enamel regeneration. For more real scientific breakthroughs in dentistry, subscribe to Dental Decode AI and follow the future of teeth today.